Hi, welcome to this tutorial. This is from direct and inverse proportion topic, which is relevant to NECTA students, GCSEs and IGCSE. So the questions say the variable v varies directly as the square of x and inversely as y. Find v when x is 5 and y is 2, given that when v is 18, x is 3 and y is 4. So I have collected the data here for you just to make it clear what you have and what you need. So we're given for the first set, which look like is a full set of this relationship here, and we're missing v for the second lot. All right, so let's just write these in terms of mathematics now. V is directly as a square of x. So directly as a square of x. So we need to square the x. And inversely as y. So that goes as the denominator. So if you remember, we can't work with the symbol of proportionality. We need to remove that and introduce the constant of proportionality. So v equals to k x squared over y. Well, we don't have the constant of proportionality. So that's why we need the first lot of data to help us find the constant of proportionality. So let us make k the subject. So k is going to be equals to vy over x squared. Using the first lot of data, I can now substitute the values of v, y, and x squared. So v is 18 and y is 4 and x is 3. We need to make it 3 squared. So k equals to 18 times 4 divided by 9, which gives you 1 and 2 there, which is equal to 8. So now I can rewrite this formula here as v equals, I know what k is now, 8 x squared over y. Let's sub in the values of x and y from our second data there, because we need to find v when x is 5 and y is 2. So v is 8 times x is 5 squared, and y is 2. So that gives you 8 equals 25 over 2. So you should put a 2 there. So v equals, well, there's 1, 2 there, and there's 4, 2 there. So 4 times 25 is 100. And that's the value for v. Thank you for watching.